If you have dreams of travelling and exploring the world to further explore a passion or interest, and you don't have a friend, partner, or know a group of people that share your passion, it can be very frustrating at times. You'll find that without having a travelling friend or group that share your interests, you're holding yourself back from seeing the world and wasting time missing out on amazing opportunities. The fact is, there are hundreds, even thousands of people out there that are interested in the same things you are and are excited about travelling to explore these further. The problem has always been, until now, that it is almost impossible to find them easily. That's where Travel With Me comes in. We help people just like you to find another person or group of people that share your interests and want to travel. We make your dreams a reality faster and easier by organising special interest-based tourism and travel adventures. We are here to help you meet with people that share your interests and want to travel. We're not for singles only. We work with couples and small groups of people. This is purely about connecting like-minded travellers to share experiences together. The best thing is, our membership and community is free to join. If you're looking to find out about cool travel opportunities that revolve around your interests, or want to find great people to explore the world with, and are sick of wasting time missing out on exploring what you love, the next step is to register now and let us know more about you and what you're after. From here, we'll then be able to connect you with relevant people and also invite you to our regular local events so you can get closer and closer to your dreams much faster. Complete the form on our homepage today and become a part of the Travel With Me community now.